how's everyone doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new to this channel, hi, my name is Diana Cibrian, and in today's video I am going to be teaching you guys how I laminate my own eyebrows at home. I believe that the package that I purchased is below $30, I want to say. I have wax, I have the brow lamination kit, and then I have kind of like a little saran wrap for the eyebrows. You guys can just use your saran wrap that you have at home. I have scissors, and then I have something to apply my tint as well. And then we have a little spoolie. Well, it's not like a spoolie, it's like a nail bed wooden stick, and I'm gonna use this for the wax. And then we have strips for the eyebrow, and then of course our tint, which is this right here. Okay, I apologize ahead of time, my hair is looking a little crazy, but I just showered, so you know, can't really do much to it yet. I just have to let it air dry. Okay, so the first thing that I am going to be applying is the false lash glue, and we're just gonna apply it up here. After you have applied the lash glue, you're gonna just want to send the eyebrows the direction that you're gonna want them, which in order for us to get that strokey pretty look, then we're just gonna go upwards. I know it looks crazy right now, but do not worry, the finished results will look so much better. Now we go on to the next one. Okay, so now that our eyebrows are pretty much glued, we are going to be using perm number 1. And the instructions are also in the back. So it says use the cleaning liquid to remove the oil and dust and makeup. So you guys can use this to clean it, but like I said, I just showered, so all the oils should be. So we're going to start off with perm number 1 on the kit, and then just apply. So as soon as we are done applying the first perm on there, then we're gonna go ahead and grab our saran wrap and just apply it over the lashes, the eyebrows. And we are just gonna leave this on for 12 minutes, and I will be right back, okay guys?
Few moments later.
Okay guys, so now we are finally done with the 12 minutes. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take the saran wrap off, and then I will be going in back with my spoolie and just kind of giving it a shape. Okay, so I just went ahead and I brushed my eyebrows upwards, or to the shape that you want it to. It's whatever you feel happy with and comfortable. You know, some people like to make their eyebrows a little more rounder, some people like to make them more arched. So now we are going to be going in with the fixation, and that is number 2. So the very same thing as the last one, we're just going to go ahead and apply it on top of our eyebrows. Now we will add some more saran wrap. So once again, we're gonna let this sit for another 12 minutes.
1 eternity later.
Okay guys, so now it's already been 12 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and I will take this off and then just brush up. So now we're going to be going in with the third one, which is nutrition, and it's kind of like a little oily substance, and we are just going to be applying that once again to our little spoolie, I guess. Just add it on there. This kind of helps get rid of like the residue. We are now going to just clean it off. After we are done cleaning that off, then we are just gonna grab our actual spoolie for the eyebrows to brush them, and we're gonna make sure that it's clean, then brush them right back up. The nutrition is actually for nourishment of the eyebrows or the hair, I guess. And now we're going to be going in with the cleanser. This is actually what's going to be getting rid of the residue. Just going to dip this in here and then just apply it on the eyebrow again. Now we are just going to use our cloth and then just clean it right off. Okay, so now that that is done, on to the next step, which is the tinting process. This is my tint. It's similar to, you know, when you dye your own hair. So I just went ahead and I opened it. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit in here, like literally just that much. And then I'm going to grab this, which is kind of like the solution to develop it. And then yeah, and this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so I am going to be adding this onto my eyebrows. Try to make it as straight as possible because remember, this is pretty much hair dye. If you do go over, you can always go in with a cotton swab right over it. And then I will just leave this on for about like 10 minutes. Or until it darkens up enough, okay? You can kind of already see that it's starting to darken up. It's obviously your choice, you know, if you don't want them to be too dark, then you just go ahead and you take it off right when it gets to the level of darkness that you want. I believe that this is a brown tint. Okay, so now it's time to take this off. Just gonna want to brush them up. Okay, so for this next part, I already went ahead and I heated up my wax, and now I'm just gonna wax my eyebrows and just kind of like give it the finished look. I'm gonna fast forward this section because, and I'm not gonna talk too much because of the fact that I actually already have a video based on pure eyebrows. So if you guys want to go ahead and take a look at how I wax my eyebrows, then you guys can go ahead and take a look, okay? And so yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the waxing. So guys, I do also want to let you guys know that when you have a brow lamination done, the way to take care of it is to pretty much just keep brushing it after washing your face or getting out of the shower. You know, just make sure that you keep that same look. You will definitely notice the difference.
guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would...
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love laminated brows because it kind of just gives you that fuller look. So this is also really good for people that don't have too much to work with their brows. Just go ahead and get them laminated and then tinted, and then just kind of gives you like a fake brow look. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did enjoy it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.